Meet the TETON pivot arm cot. Not only are they comfortable, they're tough. In fact, they're the toughest cots we've ever made. How tough, you may ask? Tough enough to withstand 99 monkeys jumping on the bed. Tough enough to support over 600 pounds of fresh cut lumber. Tough enough to hold up against an MVP linebacker. Tough enough to hold up a 5-time sumo wrestling champion. And tough enough to withstand a Bigfoot attack. The TETON pivot arm cot is tough in every way, except the setup. This cot isn't just tough.
It's one thing to enjoy the outdoors. It's another to truly enjoy the outdoors. Turn the open air into your serene sanctuary with the folding camping cot from Alpcour. The Alpcour camping cot will give trekkers, campers, tailgaters, and beachgoers of all ages rest and relaxation anywhere. The camping cot is lightweight and portable, yet sturdy enough to comfortably hold up to 300 pounds of weight. And the premium polyester fabric is soft, breathable, double-layered, and water-resistant, while the cot opens and folds away in seconds. The camping cot comes with a pillow for added support, a side pocket to store your things, one carry bag for easy support, and a 1-year unlimited warranty. Roughing it doesn't have to mean restless, achy sleep. Let the clouds be your blanket while the world rests beneath you. Let an Alpcour camping cot comfort your adventures.